Are you dreaming of transforming your home space or offering something unique to your clients? This partition looks like it was created in a designer studio, but in reality we made it ourselves, and you can do it too. Hi, my name is David and this is Virmer. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and let's get started. Template preparation. So what do we need? First of all, an MDF sheet. Ours is 19mm thick. This is an optimal choice for interior partitions, as the material is strong enough but still easy to work with. We found this template online, which fits perfectly into any interior. Since we're using a pre-made template, we need to adapt it to the size of our material. We'll be doing this in Aspire Vectric, but any CAD/CAM software that you're comfortable with will work. Open Aspire Vectric, choose the file option, then import or simply drag the file into the workspace. Then template can be in DXF, EPS, SVG or another vector format. Ours is in DXF. Now, let's select our template. We need to adjust it to the dimensions of our future piece. To do this, go to the toolbar and click on the Scale Objects tool. In the window that appears, there will be several parameters for resizing. In Set Size, enter the dimensions of our MDF sheet in the width and height fields. In this case, we'll set the maximum dimensions for the template 1300 by 1300 mm, as the working area of our Wattsan M1 1313 machine is 1300 by 1300 mm. By the way, the height of the gantry 300 mm allows you to increase the processing depth by 20% compared to the Wattsan A1 1313 model. Make sure the Link XY option is enabled so that the program automatically maintains proportions when resizing. This will scale the design evenly along both axes. Before creating the cutting path, we'll set the material parameters. Click on Material Setup on the right-hand panel. In this window, we'll set the material thickness, ours is 19 mm, and the starting point, usually the bottom left corner of the workpiece, but you can set another starting point if it is more convenient for you. Cutting path setup. Now, let's prepare the Wattsan M1 1313. Its working area of 1300 by 1300 mm is ideal for working with large MDF sheets. Let's create the cutting path for the machine. Select the Profile Toolpath option to create a contour tour. Specify which bit we'll be using. We have a 3mm spiral bit. Tip: for MDF, spiral carbide bits with good chip removal are the best choice. This reduces the risk of overheating and extends the tool's lifespan. Set the cutting depth at 90 mm for through cuts on MDF sheets. Set the spindle speed to 18,000 RPM for efficient material processing. If the design elements are large, you can add tabs to prevent pieces from falling out during cutting. In general, the sturdy construction of the machine and the vacuum table will ensure that the material is securely fixed and vibration during operation are minimized. Now, it's important to make sure that all design elements will be cut correctly. To do this, use the Toolpath Preview function. This will show you how the cutting process will unfold. Next, upload the G-code to the machine's control system. Everything is ready to start now. Machine preparation for startup. Check if the appropriate bit is installed and let's get started. On the Wattsan M1 1313, you can process not only MDF, of course, but also a wide range of materials from wood to non-ferrous metals. With this machine, it is possible to produce doors, furniture, equipment parts, bases for exhibition stands, LED signs and light boxes, souvenirs, and 3D reliefs on wood. By the way, if you're interested in milling topics, we recommend watching our video on essential tips and techniques, or via the link in the video description. Finishing. After completing the work, carefully remove the partition. If needed, sand the edges to remove any burrs and give the piece a smooth, neat appearance. For us, This is not necessary, thanks to the high accuracy of the machine, up to 0.01 millimeters. We get perfect cuts even on the most intricate patterns. You can paint, varnish, oil, or leave the interior partition as it is. See how easy it is to create a stylish and versatile decor for your home or mass production with our own hands. And with a reliable assistant like the Wattsan M1 1313, it's doubly easy. Create unique products from your home or make your business successful with Wattsan. Subscribe and like the video. My name is David, this is Virmer. See you in the next video.